Never wanted to teach. I never wanted to teach. There are a few reasons I'm here, and nowadays what's happened, like recommendation, and now I am planning to quit it permanently. Like, okay, whatever I had to do, I have done. I wanted to create some beast as duplicate as me. I think I have done it. Okay, and those who are in my guidance now, we have a group called Superhero. So once I am done with everything what I am teaching now, I will be full time with the Superhero. You guys will take the trade I'm taking, with definitely not like randomly, like, okay bro, you take it, I will take it. No, you match your analysis. I will tell, like, this is the trade I'm going to take. Now you do your analysis because you learn from me. So if you suits you can take it from me. And if I hit a stop loss, you may see the stop loss. If I see. So sometimes we do that in the Superhero. Anyway, so before this, is it anything else you want to know? Oh my god, we talk a lot about different topics.
But nice, brother. Nice talking to you.
Thank
But
you.
if these small talks, because I don't want to. Dinesh knows that I'm an introvert. I don't talk much.
No
Very,
issue,
but
brother. This
the
is
guidance I'll listen more. But whatever each word that you told, right, is everything is like jewels. This to us, if you have to implement that. Many people come, they'll learn something, they'll not learn fully, they'll go to the market, then initially they'll be profitable. Again, that with that half knowledge is more danger. They'll lose it and then blame the mentor.
right. I understand it. Anyway, anyway, brother, let us talk about to the chart. Let me share my chart. Okay, let me share my
Cool.
chart. You can see it immediately. Just a minute, it's loading. Okay, you see my chart.
Yes.
Okay, so if you see here, this is from last candle. Where is my mouse right now? Okay, where is my mouse
Okay.
right now? From the last candle. So we
Yes.
are
Yes.
starting with the red candle, and this is the last candle, what we call as a green candle. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
for me, few people use different color, but I different color means two color actually. So I use red as representative of sell, green as a representative of buy. Okay,
Mm.
so in the chart, everything in the chart is two things. One is time, one is price. Okay. So when as of now market is closed, right?
Mm.
This is the gold chart. We are in a daily chart, and currently market at 2746 area. Right. This is the price,
Mm.
and as the price is there, which is the last time price was in a little bit lower, now it is in the 2746 area, means it is a little bit higher, right? So this is
Yes.
the price, and the representation of the time in that particular price as it is going up, it's showing as a green color, as I am using for me as a green candle for buy. Got it?
Mm.
So though everything is, as I said, in like, I represent myself as a red, buy as a green, that means I am talking about two combination of color,
Mm.
isn't it?
Okay.
So for me in the market, every single thing in the chart within a nanosecond also is a combination for me. Okay,
Mm.
combination. When I talked about the combination, as I use red and green, means red and green is my combination. Red and red is not a combination.
Mm.
It's the same thing.
Okay.
Green and green is not a combination. It's the same thing. Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
whenever you see a color and the next candle, your automatic mindset should be as a combination. Doesn't matter it become a combination or not, but not randomly, automatically your subconscious mind should signal you look for the combination. Okay.
Okay.
This is the very early step of our chart reading. Clear?
Mm.
So as I said, the combination means market has only two things: either it goes up, it goes down, isn't it?
Mm.
So if it goes up, that means it's moving toward to the upper area, means it's buying. If it is buying, that what is the combination I'm using for myself? Green.
Mm.
If it is going to the down, at the same time it will show me a red, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, now to understanding why it is green, why it is red, we need to identify how chart represent. Okay,
Mm.
as we are using candlestick, so our chart will represent by a candle. Got it?
Okay.
Now, when you talked about candle, that means every candle has a formation. We call it a candle skeleton. Okay. So
Hmm.
now it's a candle. We do not know what it is because I am not planning anything or not making any color of it. Right. As
Hmm.
of now, you already know I use two color. One is for buy, one is for sell, isn't it? So
Hmm.
whenever you see that this is a color of a candle and I represent it as a color, then you already understand, okay, this is a red color, means it happened to have a sell, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, it's the same, like if I were to tell you, like, okay, the red is buy for me, then you can tell, okay, when you see the color, you can say, okay, this is buy candle, right? So, as
Hmm.
of now, I'm using red as a sell color. So, you can say, okay, as it is a red candle, that means sell happen. Is it? So, whenever a candle formation happen, we always see in a real chart, there always a wick or shadow, we call it, right?
Hmm.
So when this candle formation happened, how it happened actually? It happened like this way. This is the opening of that candle, right? This is the very much opening of that candle, and it goes all the way to up, right? Then it come
Hmm.
down, goes
Low
up,
and
and then
close.
close, right? So basically, this is the open, this is the high, this is the low, and this is the close, right?
Yes.
So if we write it, open, just a minute, open, high, low, and close. Okay, so we call it OHLC. Okay, brother, OHLC.
Yes.
At the same, if I ask you, like, now look at this, it's a what color? What color? You tell me it's a green color. As for me,
Hmm.
green color indicate buy or sell.
Buy.
Buy. So the price open started here, it goes down
Open.
all the way to up,
Low. High.
right?
Close.
Right. So it's a slight difference. It is OHLC, but it here actually OLHC.
Low.
Okay.
High. C.
Right.
Cool.
Now, how it is connected to our next part then? First, we have we learn, like, okay, time and price is everything, and then we understand the price. So to though time and price is everything, but there should be a representation, right? So we said,
Hmm.
okay, our representation of time and price is by color, and we fix our color by green as a up color, down as a red color. Okay.
Okay.
So, and when we identified those color and we identified that particular combination, so we goes to the candle and we look for the candle anatomy. And we found out there are two formation of a candle anatomy. One is OHLC, one is OLHC. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, how it is important, right, with our next chapter, which is, though everything is a combination, as I said previously, that combination give us two things, and which are basically one thing. Then we divided that one thing into two parts. Okay,
Hmm.
that combination actually gives us engulfing. Okay, now,
Okay.
now the thing is, you may say, okay, bro, this is a pin bar, this is a double marbujo, like blah 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 blah. We know, right? We know as you got it.
Hmm.
The candle name,
Yeah.
morning shooting star, a hammer, pin bar, reverse hammer, whatever we call it, right? For us, actually, there is none, nothing we call it. We call it only engulfing.
Fine. Super.
Huh? Only engulfing. Now, if you see, I just told you a little bit earlier, if you see a red color candle, I told you what you should focus on the next thing.
Green color. It should be pale.
It should be green, right?
Hmm.
Doesn't matter now, it become a red again like this, right? But the combination should be green, isn't it? So
Yes.
we just a little bit earlier we learned something which we said it's a green, right? It's a green. Sorry, it's a red color. So what we will do, actually, we mark the high. Okay, we will mark the high, and we will mark the low, right? Mark the
Hmm.
high and low. as next candle should be green as a combination, then it should be something like that, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, when this particular high, why this OHLC is important? Now we are going to talk about this is a high, right? And this is a low, okay? Once this particular high is broken with the body of this green candle or a combination candle, we call it engulfing buy,
Okay.
okay? At the same time, in a SNR way, when a red candle and green candle combination started, it's become an A shape, V shape. Okay. To identifying that V shape, if you look at here, for engulfing we goes to high and low marking. For SNR V level we go to the body only, open and close level.
Yes, yes. Body of the first candle, right?
Right, always body of the first candle. Why the first candle? If we look now here, like if we look at here, okay, let's look as an example on very precisely here. I said if we have marked this high and this low, it gives us an engulfing, is it? So it's a bullish engulfing, is it?
Yes.
At the same time, to identify an SNR, we go for the body, not the high and low.
Okay.
So we mark the first candle closing. Okay. Now, why not this one, but the closing of the first candle? If you go to the line chart, you will see the difference very clearly. Just here, look at this is the body closing and this is the one. So why we are not drawing like this, but this? When you go to the line chart, you see the perfect V actually here.
Yes, yes, yes.
So we go for the first candle closing. Okay.
Okay.
Now the thing is, so whenever the high is broken with the body of the next combination color, remember next combination color, okay, then we call it an engulfing buy. Okay.
Okay.
As of now, come with the next example. Okay. Now again we are going to see the same thing. We have a red candle and we mark our high and low, is it?
Okay.
And to become a engulfing, what we need?
We need a green candle.
We need a green candle. Now the question is, when this green candle happen to be like this, can we call it an engulfing?
No.
The reason is
It didn't cross the, it had closed this
with the body.
with the body, right?
Right. Now the second scenario, if you compare to our first scenario with the second scenario, it happened with the one single candle. But
Of course.
every time market is not that much, kind of our mama that will give us that much thing. So we may see a lot of candle. Okay.
Okay.
Doesn't matter how many candle, until this particular combination is not broken with this combination body, we are not going to call it engulfing. Got it?
Brother, is there any limit of this candle?
No limit. It could be 1,000. Our only concern is this
It
is
has to cross the.
This is a
cross the. Yes, with the body.
this is a combination of the first color, right?
Right.
We need, when you see this, the combination is now green.
Okay.
Now it could take lifetime if there is like all a doji but green candle, okay?
Fine.
So until the high is not broken with the body, we are not going to call it a engulfing.
Okay.
Now in real chart, it could possible, very much possible. This thing happened to be some like this, very much possible, which is this. Got it?
Okay.
Isn't it possible in the real chart? What we will do then?
Then we have to start again with the green candle.
Like we mark this.
Okay.
Is it?
Okay.
Got it? Like now.
So we should neglect everything of before that, right?
No. There is another way, as it will become a little bit complex. I'm just showing you the buy.
Okay.
I'm just showing you the buy only. The thing you are saying, you can do this one. If now the red candle breakout happen, means it will become engulfing sell. So I'm not talking about the sell. I'm just focusing on the buy now.
Okay, okay, okay,
Right.
okay,
So to
okay.
identifying the buy, this low and high will shift from this candle as to start a new combination. Is it?
Mm.
Got it?
Okay.
So now if any candle, doesn't matter how many, okay, any candle
Mm-hmm.
break out that high with a body, okay, with a body, then we call our engulfing
Engulfing.
combination fulfilled. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
got it?
Yes.
Same will happen for the cell. Like you will have a engulfing a green candle, okay, you will have a green candle, you mark the high, okay, now what is the combination? The red will be the combination, isn't it?
Yes.
Now the two possibility, one, it could break out with a one single, if it is one candle,
Candle.
right? Now it could be take a lot of candle, two candle, three candle, even four, five, six, 10 candles, right? No limit
Mm.
actually. Whenever the body breakout is done, we call it ourselves as an engulfing cell. Now when you have a two candle breakout, we call it a regular engulfing. Okay.
Okay.
When you have a more than two candle engulfing, we call it a irregular engulfing.
Okay.
Right. So from the beginning to now, like we says, we need a price and time. Price time represent with color. Color represent is in two different color. Everything is a combination, as I use two different color. Then we saw the candle formation, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we understand why we need the candle formation. Then we understand the engulfing. Two types of engulfing: regular and irregular. Is it?
Okay.
So now, as I said, everything is combination, means everything should be engulfing, isn't it?
Yes.
So this, my I can delete it, all of them.
Okay.
Okay. My this statement is actually contradictory with my with this thing. Say, like you can say, bro, if everything is combination, what happened here? These are all same color, right?
We should consider as a single, something like a single color or single leg, something like that.
No, this is as remember, everything is time and price.
Okay.
So what we do, we mark those gap, okay? We mark those gap, okay, brother?
Okay.
Mark those gap, even though this one, whatever you see as the same color, okay? As we are in a one time frame, we start as a multi time frame now. Break it somewhere here. This is an engulfing started, okay?
Right, right,
So
right.
this price is
Yeah.
not moved from here as a random price. It started from engulfing. So you found out you one engulfing here, isn't it? A
Yes.
combination. So let's remove it. Now go back to the daily again. Now you remove one part because this was the engulfing area. You have one, two, three more area. Let's go to again. Look, you have an engulfing here, right?
Yes.
You have an engulfing here. So
Yes.
this two area also is a combination. Remember? Now
Yes.
this is the one. What happened to that part? Break it. Look at it. See it. This is the
Mm.
area. This. Okay.
Yes.
So basically everything is engulfing. In the market, everything is a combination.
So yes, yes, yes. We'll go to change a multi.
This
We'll
is
shift to the multi interest.
we call it
Every time we'll find different engulfing.
right now. As everything is engulfing, so how we are going to use it? That's the problem because everything is not usable.
Yes, yes,
Right.
yes.
Throughout the thing, we are going to learn everything. Now, the question again comes, brother. We understand so far. What I understand, whatever you so far said, is it? Yes, but why
Mm-hmm.
we need it? Why we need engulfing? That's the question you can ask. Okay. To
Okay.
me, market, look at this. Market is a wave, right? Market is a
Yes.
wave. SNR do not represent a wave. Remember, engulfing represent wave.
Come
Yes.
again, brother. I didn't get you.
SNR, support and resistance, never represent in a wave,
Okay, okay.
but engulfing always represent as a wave.
Okay, okay.
How it done? Like if you have a area which is, let's say, says as I color mark it the color, what it is the color? Tell me what it represents. Sell or buy?
Red color is sell and green color is buy.
So our expectation is if this is the market, it will go back to the sell area, it will drop, it will come back to the buy, it will goes back. Right.
Yes.
Now When I said engulfing always represent the wave, means if this is the possibility only, then market will start to in between this. This market should create it only sideways.
Mm.
But what happened actually when you have a sell area and buy area? Okay, brother. I'm trying
Okay.
to be very much basic with you. I'm not going to deep dive yet.
Cool,
Okay.
cool, good, good, good.
So let's say this is the market and it goes there.
Okay.
And when it goes there, we already know that it will going to drop to till why here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it come here, it comes here, it created another engulfing buy zone here. It
Mm-hmm.
goes back again to the up area. It created an engulfing sell area here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
means it goes there and then it drop to here. We have another engulfing buy area here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and then it come by, it goes back sell. It may have another engulfing buy here, goes to sell
Mm-hmm.
there. Ultimately, it come to our the higher time frame engulfing area. means
Mm-hmm.
means the thing I said a little bit earlier, the possibility was if it was only respected buy zone or sell zone, if the all market always in the, it will always be in the sideways market, no wave pattern created. Okay,
Mm.
so
Okay.
as from here to here, when it was coming down, it finds some level as engulfing, it is taking a pause on those engulfing area.
Mm-hmm.
When it reaches out to this particular high time frame area, same question again. So if high time frame respect like that, it should be again to the sideways market, isn't it?
Mm.
So
Mm.
what happened then? Sometimes market created or break, do the breakout of that engulfing area. In SNR way, we call it support become resistance, which is SPR, and in engulfing way, we call this particular engulfing buy is failed, so we call it EF.
Okay.
Then there is a new step, new area is started. Same process. Got it? Why market do
Okay.
the wave?
Okay. Another system will
Okay.
happen. Nice, nice. Okay.
So basically, these are all the basic.
Okay, brother.
Have any question for me, brother?
No, brother. No.
Okay. If not, then we are going to start with our. Okay, just a minute. I think I should